牛乳牛乳牛乳 is mean milk. I see here milk or 牛乳. Sometimes and some people like 牛乳 or milk, and sometimes some people use 牛乳 to cooking, right? To cook. And sometimes some people just drink the milk. So you want to say, I drink milk every morning. I drink milk every morning. You can say like, 毎朝牛乳を飲んでいます。毎朝牛乳を飲んでいます。Which means I drink milk every morning. Drink is mean no, 飲む, right? 飲みます。飲んでいます is mean every day. So even to say I use milk to cook, in Japanese you can say like, 料理を作るために牛乳を使っています。料理を作るために牛乳を使っています。Which means I use milk to cooking. Some food they use milk to cook, so you can say like this. And if you want to order some milk, you can say 牛乳でお願いします。牛乳でお願いします。Which means please give me some milk.